Hello Kamat Major! Welcome sa ating channel. Huwag kakalimutang i-like, share, and subscribe ang ating channel na Sir Honors. Tuturuan ko kayong gumamit ng calculator kapag naka-encounter kayo ng parallel and perpendicular lines. Start tayo with parallel. Tuturuan ko kayong hanapin ang equation of the line that is parallel to 3x plus 5y equals 10 na meron tayong point na 4, 0. Ang gagawin lang natin sa calculator natin, we just simply substitute. Okay? Substitute natin mga coordinates natin. Let's try with letter A. So we have 3 times 4 minus 0 is 12. Same ba sila? No. So hindi siyang tamang sagot. Let's try letter B. So we have 3 times 4 plus 0 equals 12, which is correct. Kung tumama siya, this will be our answer. Then we just simply substitute kapag ganito ang tanong. Let's have the next. Try nyo naman hanapin ang second question. Feel free to pause the video to answer the question. And when you get the answer, just comment sa chat box, comment box. Thank you for watching our Caltech